At every point in time, there's always something we need from God. We keep praying to God, we always ask for something, but most times we're not prepared for what we're asking for. And sometimes we need to grow into our requests. When the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. Now, if I may ask, why do you want to be successful? In terms of money, in terms of wealth, what do you really want? Why do you need money? If I may ask, do you need money for a mere show off? Do you need money? Do you need a particular asset because someone else around you owns that same thing? Do you need it to oppress someone? Do you need it to inspire and bless other people? Do you need it to have a comfortable life? Do you need it just because you want to cause others pain? You want to prove a point? What are your reasons? You need to guard your thoughts because God searches deeply into our hearts. God sees the points. In terms of marriage, why do you want to be married? Is it because everyone around you is getting married, your friends are getting married, or you want to prove a point to people, or you want to do it because you're under pressure to be married? Are you truly ready to be married? Is your heart truly ready for it? Are you truly ready to submit to someone? Are you truly ready to love someone? Are you truly prepared to take the responsibilities that comes with marriage? When you're asking God for something, your heart has to be ready because He's an all-knowing God. He searches your heart. He knows your thoughts. He knows your motives. And He will not give to you something when your heart is not straight. He will not give to you something when your motives are not right. He needs to be sure that you truly want this thing. You should be able to prove a strong reason why you need everything. So it's not just about praying to God, asking for this, asking for that. Sometimes about knowing, why do I need this thing? And also asking, does He really want me to have this? Is this the right time He wants me to have this? Most times you're asking God, I need a job. Probably He wants you to become an employer of labor. And you're busy looking for a particular job. And you don't know if that's the job that will destroy you. Sometimes you're saying, God, I need this person in my life. This is the spouse I need. And that's not the person He wants you to be with, because if you're with that person, you're not going to have happiness. But if He gives someone else to you, in as much as you might not see sense in it initially, but that's where your happiness lies. You can never go wrong with Him. He will never lead you to the wrong thing. He will never lead you to the wrong person. He will never lead you to the wrong place. So it's not just about praying, asking for what you want, and not about what He wants from you. You need to pray and watch. You need to be sensitive. You need to guide your thoughts. You need to set your motives straight. But I'm not saying that these are the reasons He has not blessed you. But you see, self-evaluation matters a lot. Each time you're praying to God and things are not working out the way you expect, you need to do self-evaluation. You need to ask again, why do I really need these things? Do I really need them now? Because there's a time for everything. You need a self-evaluation. It's very, very important. And you need to keep asking God, this thing I'm asking for, is it truly what you want from me? Is it truly where you want me to be? This person I'm asking for to be with, is he truly the one you want me to be with? This job I'm asking for, is this truly where you want to place me? Is this truly where you're going to bless me? Reasons for which you need things in life should be for you to be a blessing to others, for you to inspire others, but with anything God has blessed you with, and not to cause pain. So if your thoughts are to cause pain, to oppress people, then God is not going to hand over that thing to you. No matter how much you pray, no matter how much you fast, your heart has to be truly, truly clean if you really want God's blessings in your life. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.